Hey, I'm Scott Fraley, sales manager with KEB America, and we're here to talk about robotics today. Today we're going to talk about how KEB products are used with robotics and integrated with robotics, with a spin on safety and a C6 router, which allows you to remote connect to a robot. So when discussing a control system, I always get asked, can it communicate with my legacy robots, or I have another axis designed, will you be able to communicate with that? And I'm lucky because KEB's put a lot of work into communication drivers, which allow us to communicate with pretty much every control system that's on the market today. Robot arms are a really powerful piece of equipment, but if you don't have anything on the end of it, pretty much all it can do is give you a wave. Where we come in is we can add a spindle to the end. That's a lot of the times what I get asked is, hey, I have this robot arm from KUKA or Fanuc, but it doesn't have anything on it. I need it to become a multi-axis spindle. And that's kind of where KEB's expertise comes in. Nowadays we're seeing a big push for safety products. In our VFD product we have a safety module that has the simple STO, safe torque off, but it also has more advanced functions like safe brake control, safe limited speed. So you can imagine working closely with a robot, you would want to keep it moving slowly if you're right next to it, or if you're changing a tool, you want to make sure that that tool is not going to start spinning. So KEB's safety modules can be used to take some of the load off of your safety PLC and make your whole machine a bit safer. Generally, when we think about robotics, we think about motion. What we don't think about is holding things static. And that's where KEB's permanent magnet brakes come in. With CER brakes integrated into robot arms, and especially surgical robot arms because of their no backlash design. We've also seen them integrated into robotic frames, where it'll be able to move the arm 3 axes, but if you need to hold it still, that's where you can rely on a KEB brake. Whether you're an integrator, manufacturer, or end user, KEB has solutions that can communicate with, add functionality to, and add safety to your robot. Feel free to contact us for more information.